Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do Halloween makeup. Well, I'm going to try to do one. I don't know exactly. And I'm going to, as you can see, I have already did my base. I used Fenty Beauty. And yes, I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm not going to do something special, although I don't have a lot of time. So I'm going to start with a brown base. I'm going to use this Inglot Palette. This is a transition color. I'm going to use this Kiko high pigment eyeshadow. The color is this one. Let's see, they are saying that it's high pigmented, so I'm going to use this brush. Well, don't worry about the fallouts. Well, I kind of like it. Now I'm going to use this brush to blend. And now I'm going to use this, let's see, Matita Occhi crayon from Glamorous. This is from Cocky. This is from Kiko, okay? And I'm going to okay, now I'm going to take this chubby Maybelline, no, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Maybelline. Now I'm going to take this concealer Bye Bye under eye and try to conceal a bit. This concealer is really pigmented. going to use this L'Oreal Mega Volume Collagen 24 hours. If you know, from the beginning I have said that I'm going to do a Halloween makeup. So this is not a Halloween one. Well, I'm going to try to do some changes, and you are going to see. As you know, I'm working as a teacher, and I'm going to do like very small. Let's see. I'm going to do like a cobweb. Okay, but only in this part, as you can see. And I'm going to try to draw like a small spider. Okay. Shadow. And try to fill it. It is a love letter from Modern Renaissance. And now I'm going to take a bit of the same color and try to place it here. Okay, and take this part of the brush . Okie dokie. The lips. This is from Essence Soft Precise Lip Pencil. And now I'm going to take this color. It's Sephora. It's called Lip Rouge Velouté. Let me see. This is called Lip Stain. I don't have the same color, so let's see. Wow. And with the same pencil, doing a dégradé. Oh my god. Let me check. I'm going to use a bit of blush as well. This is from Tarte. It's called Harmony. And a bit of highlighter. Also, I'm going to try to retouch a bit. I'm going to take a bit of Fenty Beauty and I'm going to take this color from here. I'm using a bit of bronzer of Film Star and Bronze from Charlotte Tilbury. And of course, the setting spray from Inglot. And this is the final result. I hope that you have enjoyed. I did a very quick makeup for Halloween. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye! Happy Halloween! Bye!